was on my way to 8th grade. The first day I almost missed her. Bus, that's when I was starstruck and saw their sister. Luck must have brought us together to see this picture. Stuck in slow motions, I'm frozen, I swear it's the girl from my dreams. I was new to the neighborhood, never knew such a cute honey.
You playing cards against yourself?
Magic tricks.
You're trying to trick yourself with a deck of cards.
I'm just practicing. Pick a card.
King of Hearts.
You're not supposed to tell me. You're not supposed to tell me that.
Sorry. Sorry.
I'm Raph.
Xavier.
No surprise we started talking by grade 9. I had some other girlfriends through the summertime. She was playing hard to get, but I knew she'd become mine. Now 10th grade rolls around, I walk into class. She was sitting right behind me and started to laugh. History was the topic to make this moment last. She started helping with homework and I got onto that plan to make her my girlfriend and we could start the date. She wasn't allowed to have a boyfriend in the faith that she grew up in. I thought maybe I could set it straight. If I got to know her mom, maybe we would integrate.
Said you wouldn't do that shit no more.
You know I got you.
Not like this.
This is how it's done. This is my family.
I thought we were family.
If you don't like it, leave. Bitch, I said leave.
Screw you, Rex.
Yeah, screw you too.
Damn, Rex.
Shut up.
Rex.
Hey, wait a sec. Ralph, this is my colleague, BT. BT, this is my nephew, Raphael. BT got a brother your age, Hugo. Get to know him.
So what else has been happening?
Well, my brother got locked up again, so I got the place to myself for a while. You can stay over if you want.
Hey. Is there a different way we can go?
What?
I can't be here. Yeah, I can't be here.
Is that who I think it is? Oh, hell no! What do you think you're doing?
Chill! Chill, he's with me. Why are you bringing that bitch to our block? If your brother was here, he would have murked his ass.
Ruff! Ruff!
Hey, hold up. Hey, little man. Not you. Ralph. You're gonna need to start learning how to protect yourself if you want to be part of this someday. Now this won't do much on its own. But if you roll with us, we got your back.
Okay.
Chin up.
Trust y'all, I stay locked, familiar, knock down walls, nigga, break down the pillars, hands to the ceiling, hands in the air.
Pick a card. I'm gonna make it disappear. Okay.
Music bed.
I
Music
used to
bed.
think the sky was made of blue flowers, cuz used to have to stir the Kool-Aid for hours. Blood, these white lines rule the world, that's a power drug. Same way the government blew the towers up. Guess that's what I get for living in America. Well, we just trying to find a story for our character. Trying to fuck a French motto on a terrace,
Music
but
bed.
they don't let American werewolves in Paris, bruh. These people telling me I sound like the old yay. See, I don't even change the pace on a slow day. I'm 2 seconds away from going OJ. Mama said I need to call my ex disobey. Somebody gon' get that and lose their mind. The police need rap music to boost their
Music
crime.
bed.
Pull you over for a light, violate your rights, but don't ask you. They just do their time. Who you gon' be when the world gets fried? Listen to your friend, it's the voice inside.
Welcome to the family.
If you lose me, where the hell you gon' go? Take somebody's life, who the hell gon' know? Who you gon' be when the world gets fried?
I haven't figured out how to bring it back yet.
I'm sure we'll see each other next year. We can always meet up at the pit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Ruff.
Hey.
We got a job for you today.
Come on, a job for Raph? He ain't even paying attention to what you're saying. Look, he's off in his own world.
Shut it, Hugo. This one's for Rafi. Yesterday, one of those punk-ass kids from Bell Park was spotted on our turf.
Where were they?
They were scoping out your old school, walking all around the perimeter.
That's neutral.
No, it's not. Told you he ain't paying attention to what you saying. Give it to me and I'll take care of it.
Stopped being neutral 2 days ago. We had to beat Sean's ass, but we gotta expand our business.
We'll find those kids, make sure they never step past Bell Park again.
When?
Tonight.
Don't touch the ball, it's over. Call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be.
You good?
Yeah.
I just been counting, never lounging, climbing up mountains, bouncing back. Step in the ring, about you step back. They'll learn hot when I get on the track. I like it louder the most. Watching all these shit just buy down to the goat. If I can't decide, I'ma probably get both. We done celebrate, but right now I'm a toast. Resurrected ghost. Outside, outside, looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. With every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine when I shine. We can take this outside, outside. Hey. Looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. Yeah. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. Nah. Every single level that I reach and up. The people, they dancing along to the mando. It's some sort of hip-hop beat. Did I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back? I take it all back just to have you, yeah. And I take it all back, take it all back, take it all back. I take it all back just to have you. I take it all back just to have you.
Took you long enough.
Rafi, get your ass out here. It's time to move.
He's not here.
They're gonna find us.
They won't.
I'm scared. They saw you at the pit. They did. And they were coming for you tonight. They wanted me to hurt you. They wanted me to hurt you, and I'd rather die. Rather die.
Rafi, I'm treasuring this piece of paper forever. I'm gonna frame it. We'll take this next bus and figure things out.
I left your letter on my desk.
So this is what you do with your time? I'm out here working my ass off for my brothers, and you out here playing cupcake with the enemy? And yet, you the favorite. The next Rex. I don't fucking believe it. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Hugo! Leave them. They belong to Rex now.